are at WiNGS Wildlife Sanctuary, funded by the people, because it's a family-run business and the government doesn't support it. So being a sanctuary, they have programs where they breed native animals and introduce them back into the wild. But unfortunately, none of Benjamin will be going back into the wild since he is extinct.
Not yet, Benjamin, but we are working in laboratories to reinvent you.
Yes!
So hopefully within a decade we'll see another Benjamin.
That will be very exciting to see an actual live thylacine.
Or some mutation.
Stories of my extinction have been greatly exaggerated.
I'm here, and the animals have.
Anyway, but we will be seeing some Tasmanian devils. Pete and I are going to have a meerkat experience. Rob and Lisa are going to have the devil experience, and we're going to go and see some Bennett's wallabies and
Feed some things.
and some paddy melons.
Let's just have an experience.
So let's go in and enjoy the wildlife.
She is gorgeous. Oh, she's seen her phone before.
This one of our baby devils has been born here at the park. You're right. You don't
Okay.
have to worry about this girl. Just takes a few minutes just to work out where she is and what she's doing. But it's nice and low.
She's gorgeous.
Thank you. So she's coming up to 1 year of age in a couple of months. Not far off.
And she's fully grown?
No, they don't usually reach fully grown until they're around 2
About
years
2?
of age.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they're normally a nocturnal animal, so a carnivorous marsupial, one of the largest in the world.
So you've woken her up and she's looking for food?
Yeah, she was already awake, but she's just checking out all the smells, what everyone's been up to. So that 99% of the time they are relying on carrion. So any roadkill or small carcasses that they can find, that's what they're eating. About 1% of the time they will actually attack and kill an animal, but only if it's sick, injured or very old. So if it's showing any signs of weakness.
So only 1% of the food comes from their own kills?
Yeah,
okay.
Most of the time it has already passed away by the time they find it. Gets to 7-8 months and that's it. They're not as interested in having cuddles and being picked up.
They can feel the noise going all the way down.
So yeah, they all just reach that point differently. I have got one out there that is turning 5 this year and she is still letting me pick her up last year. So and she's fully grown. Most of the devils though, usually once they get to about 1.5, she's more just checking out all the different smells, checking everything out.
She knows you, obviously.
She does. So this is one of my girls that I have hand reared. So we do rear our devils from around 4.5 months of age. So they're about palm size. So they are fully furred, fully developed. And that's when they come in and out of mum's pouch.
So you'll breed from
Just
her?
be careful not too close to the face there. Pardon?
You'll breed from her?
Yes. Yes.
That was a good one for the camera.
That was.
Good yawn for the camera.
Big yawn for the camera.
Wow, a bit of a size, isn't it? Yeah, that's it, yeah. Sit like you normally sit, mate.
Okay, how about a beetle? Like,
Oh, I don't know any more beetles left. Sorry.
Yum.
You're eating them out of house and beetles.
Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh,
Yum, yum,
you got that one, didn't you?
yum, 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 yum.
Okay. Here you go. Here.
I think they like the beetle off him more.
Oh. Yeah, where's the beetle? Oh, come up the rat. Yum.
Scratches all up your legs.
Yum.
It's rolled down.
Yum.
There you go.
Yum. Oops, we dropped it.
Oh
Here it is.
no!
Hey,
Come on. Here comes. There's a beetle. Who's going to come and get it? You are.
the eyesight.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I can put them in my hand, but I'm just not going to eat them personally.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
I was going to make you them.
Oh, look, there you go.
Yum. Oh.
That's the secret to getting meerkats to like it.
Hey, got him. What about you?
I've got plenty.
What are they?
Mealworms.
Okay.
He was well hang on.
You ready?
I'm going to see.
You can even tease them a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, no from that one.
Oh, look at this jar. Look at
Yum.
sitting there right in the palm.
Who should I give it to?
I think the person with his hand out the most.
Come on, I'm the one with the one left. No, I don't want you to get your snout up.
I want it. I want it.
Oh, there it is. There you go.
Last one.
You're pretty gorgeous.
Oh, we gonna roll over. Hey?
It just says they may bite. Doesn't say don't feed. No, Jojo's only bitten me once so far on this trip.
I've only been you once. So this is the last.
Okay, we're recording.
We have just come out of the wildlife park and have had a wonderful experience with the meerkats. Lisa and Rob loved their experience with the little Tassie devil. So we have just come out to have a quick cup of tea and cake, one of many that we've had along the way.
At nature's garden table.
Who was very good at supplying the afternoon tea.
And
Thank
in
you,
this-
Lisa, for supplying all the wonderful afternoon teas that we've had along the
In
way.
this Blinky Bill cake tin, we have enjoyed
Old school thinking.
we have enjoyed a boiled fruitcake that has lasted the journey.
Thank you those who have joined us on our adventure. I hope you've enjoyed all the things that we've shown you, and we look forward to seeing you on our future adventures.
And if you haven't enjoyed it, I don't care anyway.